Still on trigonometry, the cosine rule this time around. For a non-right angle triangle like what I have here on the board, I label angle A, angle B, angle C. Side A, side B, side C. These sides are opposite their respective angles. The cosine rule says A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. Similarly, B square is equal to A square plus C square minus 2AC cos B, and C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. So this is the cosine rule. So this rule will be applied to solve this very question that I have on the board. The question says, in triangle ABC, C, which is side C, is equal to 8.44 meters, side A equal to 7.92 meters, and B, as angle B, is equal to 151.3 degrees. Calculate line AC, which is labeled B. Okay, which one of these three formulas matches this question? We have angle B here. That's what will determine the formula to use. We are going to make use of this, the second one. So B square is equal to A square plus C square minus 2AC cos B. Having known this, B square is equal to A square, that is 7.92 squared, plus C square, that is 8.44 squared, minus 2AC, that is minus 2 times A is 7.92 times C is 8.44 cos B, that's cos 151.3, cos 151.3. Okay, B squared is equal to 7.92 squared is 62.7264 plus 8.44 squared is 71.2336 minus 2 times 7.92 times 8.44 is 133.6896, then cos 151.3. B squared is equal to 62.7264 plus 71.2336 is equal to 133.96 minus 133.6896. Then cos 151.3 degree is minus 0.8771 to 4 decimal places. So B squared is equal to 133.96, then 133.6896 times 0.8 times minus 0.8771 will give me this. So add these two together to obtain 251.2191. So B squared is equal to this. So take the square root of both sides. We have so that the square takes away the square root. B, which is equal to line AC, is equal to the square root of this, 15.85 meters to 2 decimal places. So this is how the cosine rule is applied to solve triangles. Subscribe and turn on notifications if this is your first time joining us. I'll see you in my next video. Subscribe.